Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube video. This is a form of a big excitement from my English lecture. In this video, I will discuss about my university, faculty, study program, and also my daily activity during self-study at home. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay everyone, first Mercu Buana University start with a stand of Private Academy Dewantara by an entrepreneur Mr. Prabu Sutejo at November 18, 1981. Mercu Buana University officially founded in October 15, 1985 and start with Faculty of Economy, Faculty of Agriculture, and Faculty of Engineering. Now, Mercu Buana University have several faculty and thousands of students which took subject study on diploma until postgraduate. Everyone, Mercu Buana University now has accredited A by BANPT, and Mercu Buana University have 4 campus that spread in some area, which is first Campus A located in South Maria, West Jakarta. 2. Campus B located in Warung Buncit, South Jakarta. 3. Campus C located in Menteng, Central Jakarta. 4. Campus D located in Kranggan, Bekasi. Moreover, Mercu Buana University have 6 faculty, which is Faculty of Economy and Business, Faculty of Psychology, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Communication, Faculty of Art and Creative, and last Faculty of Computer Science. Everyone, from several faculty in Mercu Buana University, I'm one of the students at Faculty of Communication in Public Relations Study Program. Now, I will tell you about my faculty and my study program, and I will tell you about the reason why I choose Faculty of Communication and Public Relations Study Program. First, what is Communication Science? Communication Science is the study of communication procedure and the use of various communication tools as communication advice to the public. The reason why I choose communication study is because a lot of knowledge come from communication science. In addition, I hope that in this communication faculty, I can learn to write, speak, and read well. Furthermore, what is public relation? Public relation is one of the management functions that is a bridge between a company or organization and its public. The reason I chose the Public Relations Study Program was to develop and foster good relation with the public and encourage the courage to speak in the public. Following this, the recruitment to become a professional public relation, there are first, ability to communicate, 2. Ability to organize, 3. Ability to get on with people, 4. Personal integrity, 5. Innovative and imagination. Furthermore, what should be prepared for us to become professional public relation in the future? There are first, confident, 2. Large to learn, 3. Smart to set the mood, 4. Have a good personality, 5. Quick to adapt, 6. Open-minded, 7. Maintain good relation with anyone. Those are the things that must be prepared to become a professional public relation in the future. Everyone, coronavirus outbreak happened in Indonesia this day. Jakarta is also one of the provinces with the most amount of positive cases. This matter made the government to establish a regulation to perform a social distancing. One of the regulation is to study at home. So, what's my daily activity during studying at home? I do activity that is positive and for sure it could improve my health. Moreover, I read a module that is given by the lecturer through a e-learning website. Besides reading, I also work on tasks that given by my lecturer. And my impression during studying at home is boring. Why? Because I feel I'm not present. I can't meet and make a joke with my friend on campus. I really miss offline lecture. Hopefully the outbreak will end soon so I could feel my normal life. Message from me for you all. Please stay at home, keep your healthy and cleanest line of your body, eat nutrition food, do some daily exercise, and don't forget to sunbath. In conclusion, stay safe, keep healthiness, and don't forget to pray so the virus outbreak will soon come to an end. Okay everyone, maybe enough from me. Thank you for watching. Less and more, I apologize. Stay safe and healthy and keep stay at home. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you the next video and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.